Imagine a child playing with a toy robot, their face filled with wonder and excitement. The robot lights up and makes playful noises. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to spark your child's curiosity about the world around them while also teaching them valuable life skills? Well, today, we're diving into a popular educational platform called Raiz, and we're going to find out if it's the right fit for your little ones. Raiz is a digital learning platform designed to make education fun and engaging for kids of all ages. It offers a wide range of interactive courses, games, and activities that cover subjects like math, science, language arts, and even coding. The platform's goal is to help children develop critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. Key features of Raiz. Personalized learning. Raiz adapts to each child's individual learning style and pace, ensuring that they're always challenged and motivated. Interactive content. From animated videos to hands-on experiments, Raiz offers a variety of engaging content that keeps kids interested. Progress tracking. Parents can monitor their child's progress and receive regular updates on their learning achievements. Offline access. Raiz allows for offline access, so kids can continue learning even when they're not connected to the internet. Benefits of Raiz for kids. Enhanced learning. Raiz has been shown to improve children's academic performance and understanding of key concepts. Increased engagement. The platform's interactive nature makes learning fun and exciting for kids, encouraging them to explore new subjects. Skill development. Raiz helps children develop essential skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. Confidence boost. As kids progress through the platform and achieve their goals, they gain confidence in their abilities. Is Raiz right for your child? While Raiz offers many benefits, it's important to consider your child's individual needs and preferences. If your child enjoys learning through games and interactive activities, Raiz could be a great option. However, if your child prefers a more traditional learning environment, you may want to explore other options. Tips for using Raiz effectively. Set goals. Work with your child to set achievable learning goals and track their progress. Create a learning environment. Designate a quiet and distraction-free space for your child to learn on Raiz. Encourage exploration. Let your child explore different courses and activities to find their interests. Limit screen time. While Raiz is a valuable tool, it's important to balance screen time with other activities. In conclusion, Raiz is a promising educational platform that can help your child develop essential skills and foster a love of learning. By offering personalized content, interactive activities, and progress tracking, Raiz provides a supportive environment for children to thrive. However, it's crucial to consider your child's individual needs and preferences to determine if Raiz is the right fit for them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.